Recovery pollution again. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Carrie Simpson. Also this evening, normal operations resume at the Norman Manley International Airport following a fire yesterday. And state seeks to allay fear that demand for labor and equipment could derail dozens of projects being undertaken at once. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. We'll have the details right after this break.